right, this is Mike Texted Out, and welcome to the IKEA Struggles, where we are going to attempt to fit this desk and this compact Ford Fiesta because somebody had to get a new desk today. Will it fit? We shall find out. The IKEA Struggles episode 2. So we managed to get one box in there by bending the corner, but there's nothing in that corner. So can we get the other box in there on this episode of...
This is so... Why are we doing this again?
The IKEA Struggles. All right, so we managed to get both the boxes in here at episode 3 of the IKEA Struggles. But now the struggle is going to be driving home with this much space in the car. I already hurt my knee earlier, so let me try to squeeze. Ah, my knee. Ugh. I mean, it's functional. You ain't getting no new desk ever again.
I'm about ready to just take this out of the box. So we're comfortable.
I am comfortable.
Let's just take it out of the box.
IKEA Struggles. The IKEA Struggles, episode 3.5. We went 5 feet, and then the open door indicator popped on. And now, I'm trying to get out of the box so we can get the door closed.
Still not going all the way down, Michael.
The IKEA Struggles. All right, so we made it home somehow with the desk, and all 3 of them are going to put it together because I'm for sure not putting it together.
So all of me are going to put it together because these fat things are going to be asleep.
They plan on getting jobs soon.
Yeah.
They said it's hard to get jobs without having hands. All right, so it took quite a while to get the desk together. So I'm gonna go in here and see what the progress is to see if my new desk is completed. And it looks like it is.
What do you mean your desk?
Why are you at my new desk? I apologize, audience. This is Mike Texted Out. So this channel is about me. Just wanted to remind you. Now,
Nobody cares. Bye.
I wanted to get your opinions on the desk and how the process was as far as putting it together.
Well, that's IKEA, so it was a kind of a pain because there's no words in the instructions. But it wasn't too bad. It took a couple hours to get together because technically it really required 2 people to put it together, but somebody went to the gym.
I was there in spirit to help. I'm not going to have my name slandered on my own channel.
I'm just saying, but I love the desk. I think it fits really well with my room. This is the way I want. This is pretty much one of the last pieces. The only other thing I might do with the room is I might paint. But I love it. Works out for what I need it. I have an awesome gaming station here with big monitor.
Now, the one thing I will note with this desk, so the stand on this monitor is relatively big. If you see here, it barely fits up here. So it's something to take into account if you do have a monitor, especially with a wider stand. The other thing is the tower. So if you watch my NZXT unboxing video, I mentioned that Jeff wanted a smaller tower so he can get a new desk. But there is barely any clearance. It's probably fine for the top fan, but there's really barely any clearance down there between that and the top of the desk. So that is one thing to note. And this is like more of a compact case. So if you are looking to buy this desk, then you might want to measure the stuff that you have first. I mean, in all fairness, for the monitor part, this is a pretty big monitor. It's a 34-inch ultra wide. So there's not really a lot of monitors that might be bigger than this unless you're going to go like, you know, super ultra wide. And the stand is like unusually large. So that is something I like to note. My opinion of the desk, I do like it a lot. I like how it has spaces for everything. Like it has a side the side part for the speakers, but I do think it's probably a bit overpriced for $300. I think if it was around $200, it'd probably be an even better deal.
It's fine for the price.
Well, the thing is, IKEA does have like some at least real wood or partially real wood desks for around the same price, and I think that considering that this isn't real wood, that they should have come in a little bit cheaper with the price. Not that I'm saying that's not a sturdy desk, it actually is a very sturdy desk, and you know, it's held together by the metal arms you see on the side, but I think it could have been a bit cheaper. But that's my personal opinion. I guess as long as the person using it likes it, that's all that matters here on Mike Techs It Out. So this was a bit of a different video. I wanted to do something a little bit out of the ordinary. Sorry if the audio is not that good. I'm recording all this on my phone.
And
But
there's a fan on the back.
and someone didn't turn their fan off. But if you enjoyed this video, make sure to tell a friend, tell a coworker, like, share, and subscribe, and always do at least 2 things at the same time.
It's not like y'all going to turn the fan off.
Peace.